6-foot fence, and what we normally do is we take that. So what we do is take a, this is your pin that you would have into the wood, and it pivots on that. So what we have is a drill bit that's just a smaller drill bit, but it allows us not to have to work so hard at putting it in. So it would actually be something easier to do. Okay, and then we'll show you another trick when we get to it. So the first thing we got to do, this is on a hillside, and we want this to be above the ground, not dragging on the ground. We don't want to run it out of whack, you know, out of level. You don't want to be a whack gee. So, it'll be higher than the other ones because of this hillside. Right. So we're going to end up putting it right here with that pin up, and pull it out, it pulls out some of the threads, lets it cut better. So now I've drilled the hole, and put this thing in. I may have to get a hammer. Go to a bigger bit.
Yeah, I mean. Needs to go down. Bottom of. I'm gonna come over here and I'll show. So what we're trying to do is get the bottom even with the bottom here. That way we know where. Yeah.
So that would mean the hole is going to be right about there. All right, let's pull this off. That drilling right there. And then this larger bit, see if it's just a hair bit easier.
And get a bigger one.
didn't seem easier.
We just have to see. If it was easy, everybody'd be successful. Loosen up this. Well. Let's see how this looks. So what we'll probably do is take a grinder wheel and cut these excess wire off. So that's set directly on that. And then he can use the
Chain
the way he wants. But anyway, there you go, guys. That's what we do. Whatever the customer wants. Just like James over there, working on the shed, tightened it up. The tornado loosened it all up. Wave, James. All right, on to the next project. See you guys later.